In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery in a Nissan Frontier key fob. This process is very easy to do. You can do it yourself at home. You don't need to ever bring a key fob to the dealership for a dead battery. The whole process will take you under 5 minutes from start to finish, and all you will need is a regular flathead screwdriver. You could also use a coin. I'll show you that in a second. And you will need one CR2025 battery. Now these batteries are inexpensive. You can do the whole thing for the price of just one of these batteries. They're just a few bucks, and I will put a link in the description. The first link there will take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for a great price. The first step here is just to grab your flathead or coin and look down on the bottom of the device. You can see there's that opening right where the key ring is. You're just going to insert your flathead or insert the coin and give it a twist. There we go. Twist a little bit, it will start to open up. You can now just pull it apart with your fingers or just kind of loosen it up, twisting in that opening. And once you open it up, it is very simple. We now have access to the battery. And if you have the flathead, just go ahead and pry the battery out. Super easy. If you use the coin and you don't have like a key or a flathead or even a pen or pencil lying around, you can just gently tap the battery out. But be gentle, or you could dislodge this metal component here. But I'll show you that again. Gently tap, come right out. Go ahead and dispose of your old battery, grab your new CR2025. And again, if you don't know where to get these, go check out that link in the description. And when you're putting it in, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign and the text on it is facing down. And you will just simply push it into place, positive side down, and it will sit in there securely. And from here, all we need to do is click these two pieces back together. So go ahead and just give it a squeeze. And that's really all it takes. You can see how simple that is. And again, you can do the whole thing for just the price of one of these batteries. And if you were to go to the dealership, they'd charge you a ton of money for it. So I hope it helped you out. I hope it saved you some money. And if you enjoyed this video, if it was valuable to you, go ahead and let me know down in the comments because we'd love to hear your feedback. And you can also let me know just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another key, you can come back to this channel. We will have you covered with tutorials just like this one for the key fobs for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get all this information and much more over at our website, FobBattery.com.